Okay, I wanted to show you a cool product today. This is called the Fillomatic, and this will keep your pool level the exact same throughout the season. Now, right now, everything's running pretty smooth. Got the waterfall going, but if you look at the walls, they're about maybe a half inch below what they should be, and we haven't had rain here for about 2 or 3 weeks. Now, I'm here, so I can just fill water in as I need. But let's say you're out of town or you just don't want to watch it all the time. This is a perfect thing to have. So how it works is you can adjust the level on this to figure out what height you need it to be. And then there's a float here. As soon as the water level gets high enough, it'll press here and it'll stop the water from coming into your pool. And this just hooks up to a hose, and you just have to tighten it slightly. So let me go ahead and turn on the water. So what's going to happen next, since this pool is down a little bit, you can see there's water coming out of here, and it'll keep filling up until it gets to the level that I have it set for. So that way, especially if you're going out of town or you're not around all the time, this will automatically keep your pool the right height. That way you're not going to have air going into your skimmer, and it's always going to keep your pumps from burning up. Because what happens is, right now we're good, we have full prime. If all of a sudden the pool level gets too low, then you're just going to suck in air, and then your pump could burn up and it's not going to keep filtering your pool. So again, this is just going to keep filling up. Now, as soon as this bubble gets to the right height, you'll hear it shut off. And then if it ever gets low again, that bubble goes down and starts filling up. Cool product. And saves you from plenty of headaches that you could be having with your pool.